What's going on, my reels and bulls? This is Real Ralph.
And Mika Boo.
And today we are here with a Zaxby's Mukbang.
Yes, guys.
Tell them what you got today, babe.
Today I have a sensation salad. Doesn't look all that good. I've had better, but it is what it is. What you have?
I got the Sensation chicken sandwich with topped with coleslaw, a side of fries, and an egg roll.
And they had to give him some more coleslaw because they was slack on his coleslaw and his salad.
Slack.
But anyway, we would like for you guys to thumbs up this live, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to hit that notification button so that you're notified each and every time we upload a video. And if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and subscribe.
Hit that button, man.
Yes. So let's get into this good blessing so we can eat. You
All right.
ready?
Lord, we thank you for the food by the receiving our body in your name, Jesus. We pray, amen.
Amen. Oh, thumbnail.
Thumbnail on this Zaxby's.
Alrighty, y'all, let's get into it. So how y'all been doing out there today? We missed y'all yesterday. You know what? I should have got 2 of these egg rolls. These egg rolls look kind of slack, but this is how they look. And it's pretty good. The last time I had this salad was a year ago.
Zaxby, how many did y'all get with the program?
Yeah. They're slacking now, y'all.
Y'all slack on my coleslaw. Y'all slack on the ketchup. I ain't getting no ketchup.
They were slack on my egg roll. I remember these egg rolls being bigger than this now.
What's going on, Zaxby? Tighten up. But your food good, still good though.
I gotta get into it to find out first.
You got a little bite of that. Hold on. I gotta put that coleslaw on there.
You gotta put that slaw. First, show them how they did you.
Let me show y'all.
They did them wrong, y'all.
Let me show y'all this slack coleslaw they put on there. See that? That little bit of coleslaw there. What's wrong with them, y'all?
So the Sensation salad comes with chicken and coleslaw. I feel like, where's my wontons?
You ain't got your wontons?
No.
They ain't did you like that.
Oh, y'all.
They done got it, y'all. They done got it. Zaxby's, y'all need to do better.
They did not put my wontons in here, y'all. I am truly upset about that now. I'm going to be calling them. Because that makes the Sensation salad.
And that's the Zaxby's on Key Road in Columbus, South Carolina.
I'm going to have to call them about that now, for real. Oh, oh Lord, what am I drinking on?
Tea, huh?
Peach tea. What you drinking on?
I'm just drinking on vanilla Sprite.
And while I had my back turned, y'all, he took a big old gulp of my tea.
That's what I do.
That makes me so upset. He don't leave his stuff around long enough for me to go in.
Right.
Do y'all partners, do y'all significant others, do y'all like that? And if they do it get on your nerves, because it gets on my nerves, y'all.
Fellas, just remember to leave her a corner.
See how he do me?
Don't drink all of it. Don't eat all of it. Just leave a corner.
And when he say a corner, he literally means a corner.
Oh my God.
Your sandwich good?
Yeah, it's good. I had Sprite all on me. Lace all on me. That was a good blooper.
ain't even see it. Mm-mm. My salad is good, but I need my wontons. That's what makes the salad. And I've been talking about this salad for a couple of days too, ain't it?
Yeah. Even wanted me to get wanted me to do the mukbang yesterday. But I was lazy yesterday, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie.
So it's his fault we ain't do nothing yesterday, y'all. Y'all get on him. He can't be lazy.
I get lazy, I ain't gonna lie. I be tired. Eyes tired, boss.
What you did to be tired though? Oh, you did do your work yesterday.
This morning I woke up, had a little headache. Then tried to shake that off.
It's
Yeah.
actually a little worse when you wake up with a headache. Oh God.
I ain't lying. I had that headache all morning. And I was doing my schoolwork. Don't ever try to do schoolwork and have a headache.
Why you say that?
You're gonna feel worse.
Did you take something for it?
Yeah. I got back right once I ate. I was good after that.
I always tell him, if you have a headache, maybe you didn't eat. Maybe you need to get something to eat.
Or go to sleep.
You had just woke up.
Go back to sleep. You know I wake up early in the morning.
I think you woke up by what, 4 something this morning, ain't it?
Yep. Go to sleep late and wake up early.
I don't
She
see how
go
he
to
do
sleep
it.
before I do.
And wake up after he do. I gotta get my rest in. I'm sorry.
We going to Greenville tomorrow. We might vlog that. We won't be in Clemson. We'll be in Greenville tomorrow. So
On a big set, they're working.
definitely got to get a rest on that.
I'm really
That
missing
sounds
my
good,
little
though.
wonton. You want to taste it?
Yeah, let me take that. See what you working with.
It tastes much better with the wontons.
Mm.
What you think?
That's busting. That's busting.
But if he had those wontons, he would really like that.
On that little hard bread.
Little crunchy things. I don't know how else to describe them. You know what I'm talking about?
No. That's what I was talking about. They got hard little bread. Like,
Yeah.
I don't like them. They good, but like, they be hurting my mind. It be too hard.
I like them.
My Celtics play tonight.
Oh, Lord.
I thought we was gonna put up a good fight, but
Did y'all win the game from the other night? What was that, the night before last?
no.
Y'all lost? So what y'all 1-3 or however you said?
Yeah, 3-1. About to get put out.
Y'all gonna win tonight.
I give him one more game.
I be telling him you gotta root for your
Probably not.
team.
You know when you down 3-1, and any basketball fan know this. When you down 3-1, you get discouraged.
They gonna come back though, y'all. Watch what I tell you.
Hey, you get discouraged when you down 3-1, boy. I'm trying to tell you, I give them one more game though.
But you can't get discouraged, honey. You gotta keep pushing.
I'm gonna keep facing myself. I'm gonna keep the faith. I'm gonna keep the faith. Brandon saying, man, I sound horrible on that note. Bring him out. Bring him out.
He don't have no problem with bringing the Sandman out on me.
I sure don't. Anytime I hear trying to sing around the house. Bring the Sandman out.
You know I can sing, y'all.
Y'all drop a comment if y'all remember Sandman, and if y'all used to watch Apollo.
I used to love the Apollo. They took some good shows out there now that I think about it, because I used to love me some Apollo.
Apollo used to come on Saturday nights at 7 o'clock. Yep.
Now I don't remember the time.
I remember. It was the good old days, right? I used to love that little time frame right there. Used to come on Saturday
It's
night.
showtime
Yep.
at the Apollo.
On ABC. That was Steve Harvey was hosting.
I think everybody used to be tuned into Apollo.
I remember all kind of stars came. I remember Wu-Tang came on Apollo. I remember Nas and the Firm came on Apollo. Who else? Lil Wayne, Cash Money.
Lil Wayne? I don't remember that.
I do remember Cash Money coming on. That's when them boys first came out.
The block is hot. The block is hot, hot.
Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, even though Zaxby was slacking tonight, Zaxby's always got quality food. But even though they were slacking tonight, the food still was good. They could have gave me my ketchup. They could have gave Mickey Boo her crumbs.
One time.
I call them crumbs.
And I should order me another egg roll. I love this egg roll. But I could have sworn last year they was bigger than this now.
Zaxby, I'm gonna go on Twitter. I'm gonna call y'all out for that. Do better. Do better with the supplies.
I'm getting full.
Yes. I'm getting full too.
What you getting everything?
I know. In my J.J. Evans voice, I know.
I know. I used to love that show too. Good times. Anytime you need it, baby. Good times.
You sound like you want to do a theme song challenge again.
That was fun. If y'all haven't checked that video out, go check it out.
I was just about to say that.
That was fun.
Yeah, y'all go check out that theme song challenge mukbang we did. Go down the playlist. Look that up. That was real fun. A lot of people didn't get to see that because we done did so many videos, but that was a fun challenge.
I liked that. Well, it wasn't a challenge. It's just something that we decided to do.
To me, it was a challenge.
It wasn't a challenge.
It was a challenge because I was taking skull.
I won.
I won.
I know you won. I was just trying to be funny. Who get on my nerves, y'all?
That's what I do.
He picked stuff that he know I wouldn't know. That's how he won. I took it easy on him. He didn't take it easy on me.
Yes, I did. Yes,
No,
I
he
did.
didn't. No, he didn't.
You didn't take it easy on me. You said you was doing like some shows that some MTV shows, something that I don't watch. You know, people don't watch MTV and NBC and all
I
that.
wasn't doing no MTV shows.
And Saved by the Bell.
That wasn't on MTV.
Y'all comment below if you watch if you used to watch Saved by the Bell.
I did.
Comment below, cause I did. I mean, I used to watch it. Like I seen it when it came on, but I didn't like watch it.
I used to love it. This piece of hair right here always sticking up. Goodness gracious. Look at it. Still sticking up.
But
Whatever. So anyway, guys, we're not going to hold you. We just came through to show y'all some love.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully y'all give it right back.
Yes.
So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thumbs up this video, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time we upload a video. So till the next time, we'll see y'all later.
Peace.
Bye, y'all.